Hello guys, I'm Marcel from Virginhairvietnam. Today I want to introduce to you about straight hair. I'm sure there are many people who are interested and want to learn about this hair. To make a complete wig for long hair, we usually make from 3 bundles and 1 closer or frontal. And for short hair, only 2 bundles are needed. If you want to have a thick hair, you can do it from 4 bundles. For this wig, we make from 3 bundles of 26 inches and 1 closer 5 by 5 middle part. In closer, you can see it's very meticulously cultured by workers. The lines are very even. The hairline is very natural. They is made from sweet lace in medium brown color, suitable for all skin tone. The 5 by 5 closure is being used very popular in 2021. And you can see this is a process to create a bundle. Our workers are very careful and meticulous. If you interested in our hair, please comment below. We will advise you and quickly place an order to receive a discount. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.